Hello, how can I help you?
I want to go on a trip, but I don't know where to go. Can you help me pick a destination?
United States. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for passengers. Please put away. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you. Passengers, please open the window shade. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start button. Push the throttle. Slide the wheel to fly. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in the United Kingdom shortly.
Wow! I want to go to that museum! Unable to download. Please ask.
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The safety check is complete and you did a great job. Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. There are fish around here. Go toss the bait in. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Stop and see where the fish are. The fish is on the hook. Tap to reel in. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's make a pot of fish soup with the fish we caught. Let's enjoy the fish soup together.
Woohoo! Yay!
Passengers, the meal service is now starting.
I'm done eating. I like the food.
Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly.
Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now.
Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.